Hello guys, this is the second one in my toast and sandwiches series, and I call this one Sardine French Toast for sardine lovers. In this series, I'm using all these ingredients to make yummy sandwiches and toast. For the sardine French toast, you need only these ingredients. Break and beat the eggs. Add salt and black pepper. My kids love curry powder in their fried egg. I don't understand how they enjoy it, but yes, I am adding it for them, but it's optional. Mix everything very well. Mash the sardine very well. And add to the beaten eggs. Once again, mix very well. Then prep the slices of bread by cutting them into any shape you want. Triangle, small squares, and you remember those edges of bread we cut out when making the club sandwich? You can also use them for this sardine French toast, as you will see later. Everything is ready. Melt the butter in a frying pan. You need just enough butter to grease the pan. You can also use vegetable oil for this if you do not have butter at home, but just know that butter tastes better. Butter tastes better. I'm wrapping now. When it heats up, dip the slices of bread in the sardine mix and fry. When the underside has caked, turn it over and fry the other side. I also turn it around and fry the edges. Now, this is how I fry those cutouts from the club sandwich. If I should borrow some words from my daughter Chika, please like the video. It helps the ministry grow. If you have ever wondered how you can thank me for all the wonderful recipes I've been giving you guys back to back for free for 9 years on this channel, all I ask is that you like my videos. And by that, I mean actually click the like button physically. Chuckum. Not in your mind, because a lot of people like the videos in their minds, smile all through the videos, but never click the like button. You can also comment to chat with me in the comment section and share the videos with anybody you think will benefit from watching them. Or do you want me to leave this YouTube for you people? Do you? 9 years is a long time. Oh, retirement beckons. Yeah, you can see that this one is disintegrating already, so don't leave the bread in the egg for too long. Fry the remaining slices. Yes, the bread soaks up the egg pretty fast, so you always get the odd prodigal one, the Aaron that goes home empty-handed. Yummy! Look at the end result. So what should we call this one? Breadsticks or crust sticks? Because breadsticks already exist. Breadrita? Somebody give me a good name for it in the comments. And here are the normal slices. My kids love this. Try it and let me know how it goes. Bye bye. See you soon.